Bradford Loomis from Lineage Artistry here. Today we're going to be talking about the legendary workhorse, the Shure Sm7b, right here, and why it's my favorite microphone. Let's jump in. Before we get going, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for this channel. And then if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get to all of those.
The Shure Sm7b is a highly versatile dynamic broadcasting microphone. It's designed with a built-in mount for a boom stand, though you can easily flip the mount around to work with different stick stands for mic and drums, bass cab, guitars, etc. As a broadcasting mic, it was designed to focus on low frequency, and its large body does just that, allowing for a better low-end response. But part of what makes it so versatile is that it has built-in switches here on the back that allow you to roll off some of the low end and enhance the middle range. The switches are recessed, so simply use a small flathead screwdriver. The low-end roll-off is on the left and the mid-range boost is on the right.
Now this microphone is a workhorse, and it's been around since the 70s and is just as popular as it's ever been, and for good reason. It's a really dynamic and versatile microphone. It's been used everywhere. You've definitely heard it, from podcasts to radio to live performances to voiceover work to recordings on major labels. In fact, Michael Jackson cut his vocals on Thriller on this microphone. Artists from Bob Dylan, John Mayer, Metallica. In fact, little known secret, I use this to cut my vocals on the Banner Days records. I love this microphone. I do a lot of voiceover work and I have a baritone voice. And so this microphone, being a wide body broadcast microphone, was designed to respond well to low frequency range, and it definitely does. Compared to its cousins, the SM57 and the SM58, it's got an extended full range response, and in fact, a flatter response from 50 Hertz all the way up to 20,000 Hertz. One of the main things about this microphone that I think makes it so great, though admittedly it is a bit of a double-edged sword, is that it's quiet and it has a narrow pattern. In other words, it picks up what you point it at. So it's not going to catch all of that background noise, which could be perfect in the home studio environment if you don't have complete isolation. Now, how you compensate for that and get the most out of this microphone is by having a super clean inline preamp before you get to your interface, something with at least a 60 dB gain output. Something like the Cloud C1 Cloud Lifter or the Soyuz launcher, for example. Or you could use what I use.
I use the ART VoiceChannel as it allows me to really dial in my EQ and boost my low, mid, and high frequencies as needed. It also has a great built-in compression I can add before sending my signal off to my interface. If you want to know what this microphone sounds like, I'm using it right now. Here it is on its flat setting. Here is what it sounds like with the mid-range enhancement turned on. Check 1 2, check 1 2. Here is what it sounds like with the low end rolled off and the mid-range turned off. Check 1 2, check 1 2. Here you go. And finally, here is what it sounds like with the mid-range enhancement turned on and the low end rolled off. Check 1 2, check 1 2.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, I cannot recommend this microphone enough. And though it may seem like $399 is a lot to pay for a microphone, that's what you're going to pay for a good sounding broadcasting microphone anyways. And those do one thing. And again, this can do a lot of things. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will get to those. See you next week. Thank you.